In 60 seconds, I'll show how to disable or remove an administrator account in Windows 11 or 10. First, back up any important files and make sure another administrator account exists. Open Start, type Settings, and press Enter to open Windows Settings. Click Accounts, then for Windows 11 choose Family and Other Users, or in Windows 10 open Other People. Find the administrator account you want to remove or disable and select it from the list. Choose Remove to delete the account and data, or change account type to switch it to Standard. To disable the built-in administrator, right-click Start and choose Computer Management. In Computer Management, expand System Tools, then Local Users and Groups, and click Users. Right-click the administrator account, choose Properties, and check Account is disabled, then click Apply. Quick pitfall: never disable or delete the only active administrator, and don't delete accounts while signed into them. Sign out, then sign in with an administrator account to verify the account is removed or disabled. That's it. The account is removed or disabled safely. Check our channel for more Windows tips